Fewer chairs open, and these are typically the easiest chairs. Oh, yeah, he did until the snow. Oh, yeah. So I don't know if it's gonna melt or what, right?
Not this week.
Yeah, not this week. Yeah, so did Grayson. Our team had a couple too that got canceled, which it's so crazy.
Yeah, for sure.
We've been so busy. I'm sure you guys have too with all the sports that to take a few weeks off. It sure is nice.
Yeah, it's funny when we think it's relaxing just to look at my work schedule.
Seriously. Comparatively that last one. Right? Yeah.
I would think whatever we do on this is like walking compared to that.
That's right. That's exactly right. Well, there's one.
I'm not gonna lie to you, when I was stuck in those trees, I was starting to question your judgment a little bit.
You're cursing my name a little bit.
I don't mind little trails when they're not like A on a drop off or B super steep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Someday I'll get to love them. Someday.
I couldn't see anything, but I heard some commotion get in the back.
Yeah.
There was commotion.
I couldn't see anything, but I heard something.
Yeah, I don't even know what happened.
It was like 1 second Mike was in front of me, and the next second he was down there. I was like, oh, I thought to myself, because you were upright.
Yeah.
And I said to myself, oh, did I miss it? And I'm like, oh, he doesn't look like he wanted to be there.
Well, when I first tumbled, it was like no big deal, but then I felt myself keep tumbling and I couldn't stop. Like, okay, am I going over a cliff at this point? I mean, where am I at?
Yeah, when I was cutting over that trail and you start to pick up more speed that you want to.
Yes.
On those traverses.
And there's no way to slow down.
No easy way to slow down,
yeah.
right? And there was a bit of a bump that kind of threw me, and I'm like, oh shit, this is going to be interesting. trying to cut over right now where we went.
Oh, that orange jacket?
Yeah.
And then went through the back over there?
Yep, got to keep cutting over and then you get to those chutes. Those chutes early morning are real nice before they get tapped out. You going left or right?
Right.
You're gonna go right? Okay. We're all going left.
Oh, okay.
We'll go slow. I'm sure you'll pop off quicker than we will.
Yeah.
You look more athletic than all three of us.
I might be.